creating your video. Awesome. Let's continue with the next step of the video marketing creation process, creating your marketing video. And we are pleased to tell you that creating your videos can be real easy. And in this video, we are going to show you how with some of the best tools around. Animoto. Let's start with Animoto, a drag and drop video marketing tool that will allow you to easily create great marketing videos with a few clicks of your mouse. Animoto will allow you to create marketing videos right from your web browser, and you will simply need to sign into your account to get started. Once you are in your account, you will simply have to click the Create button to get started. You will then be given the option to either create a slideshow video or a marketing video. Slideshow videos are videos where you can use a mashup of images and video clips to create stylized videos. And marketing videos are videos where you can prominently feature your brand. Let's create a quick slideshow video by clicking on the respective Create button. Slideshow videos are great for quick offers, sweepstakes, and other types of rapid action marketing stunts. In our example case, we are going to create a video to promote a sweepstake to attract followers to our Diabetes Care Made Easy business. The first step is to select your video style, which is simply the background and transition style of your video. You can select video styles for business, for personal use, for photographers, and for educational videos. Once you find a style that is attractive, you can have a preview of how your marketing video will look with a quick preview. If you are satisfied with the placement and pacing of the content on the style, click on Select Style or on Create Video, which will depend on the style that you choose. Now in the following section, you will simply have to insert your own content to customize the style. Let's start by adding a business logo with Add Logo. Once you upload your logo, you can select to feature your logo as an intro logo, as an outro logo, or both. You can also set up an animation for your logo. Once you are done here, simply click on Done to go back to your slideshow video editor. Now, use the Add Pics and Vids tab to add the images and clips that you will feature in your video. You will be given the option to upload content from your computer, to look for clips and images on several platforms such as Facebook or Instagram, and to use free stock content. In our case, we are going to upload images for a sweepstake from our computer. You can also use the plus icon tab on the content panel to add new elements to your slideshow video. Let's now add text to the slideshow. For that, you will simply have to click on the Text tab and the plus tab on the content panel. You can also change the song in the video on the Change Song tab, if you wish to. Once you have all this ready, simply click on Preview Video to check out your video. Once you are satisfied with the preview, click on Produce to add a video title, a date of production, the name of the producer, a description, to select a cover image, and to select the video's export quality. Once you are done, simply click on Finish. Now wait for your video to be finalized and encoded. Now your slideshow video is ready. Let's now set up a marketing video by going back to the dashboard and clicking on Create. Then going to the Create button under Marketing Video. Now, for marketing videos, you will have two options. You can either select a pre-built storyboard from Animoto Selection, or to use the Start from Scratch option to do it all from beginning to end. In our case, we are going to select a pre-built storyboard to get our marketing video out faster. You can select square-type storyboards or landscape storyboards. Square storyboards are better suited for videos on social media and for Lightbox video ads. And landscape storyboards are better suited for videos on video sharing sites. As you can see here, there are pre-built storyboards for basically any type of marketing video available. In our example case, we're going to select a landscape step-by-step storyboard to create a quick educational video for our audience. The first step is to replace all the example content with your actual content. We will start by uploading our own video clip using the Upload button on the left. We are then going to drag our clip and drop it on the content panel. Then, we will proceed to delete all the content that we are not going to use. In our case, we are going to use a single clip and we will spread some text across it. But this might vary for you, as you may prefer to use small clips and use a storyboard as a template. As you can see, we only left 2 introductory bits of text, so we can edit them and add our own. We then proceed to hover over a video clip to edit it. As you can see, you will be able to add voiceover tracks, text, images, and more to your video clips. In our case, we're going to simply add text synchronized with certain actions in the clip. Now, we will use the Add Block button to add our outro. The Add Block button will allow you to insert new elements to your marketing video, such as images, text, videos, collages, and logo images. We are going to use it to add our outro text, so we click on Text. We will also use it to add our logo at the end of the video, so click on the logo option from Add Block. It is worth noting that all of this was made from the Media tab, so let's check the rest of them to add our final touches. In the Ratio tab, you will be able to have a final word on whether you want a landscape video or square video. In the Design tab, you will be able to set the color of the text on your video, the color of the background, and the on-text font type. In the Filters tab, you will be able to select filters for your video, starting with none, and with a selection that includes black and white, warm, and denim. Lastly, you have the Music tab, from where you will be able to change the music on your video as well as to manage the volume of the song. Once you are satisfied with your marketing video setup, click on Preview. If the results are awesome enough, click on Produce to customize your new marketing video with a title, a date of production, by naming the producer, adding a description, and selecting the proper cover image. Once that's set, simply click on Finish. Now wait for your video to be finalized and encoded. And that's it. As you can see, creating awesome marketing videos with Animoto is as easy can get. Powtoon. Let's now use Powtoon. And Powtoon is simply an amazing tool that will allow you to create fully animated marketing videos as animated slideshows, and it is pretty easy to use. Starting on your account dashboard, you will have the options to start from scratch, to build story scene by scene, and to customize a popular template. While you can get away with using pre-built templates and other tools, we recommend you to start from scratch every time that you create a marketing video with Powtoon, because on the incredible amount of elements and customization options that you can use to create your videos. We are going to do a basic marketing video to show you the way. So we start by clicking on Start from Scratch. Once the editor loads, you can start by selecting a layout for your marketing video. In our example case, we are going to select an intro layout for our intro slide. We start by adding our logo and editing our intro text. We then add a new slide, which will keep the background color and texture from the previous layout minus the elements, which you can add at your will. Now, to add new elements to our new video slide, you can use the right side menu, from where you'll be able to insert text, characters, objects, special elements, graphs, music, and others. In our example case, we are going to insert a text to describe our offer in the slide that follows the intro. Now, as you can see below this slide, you can insert elements across the video by selecting a specific time frame from the timeline. In this case, we are going to make elements on our video to appear gradually. With our example, we are going to use the text on this second slide as a call to action. Now, we are going to add an image to showcase our offer. You can try different backgrounds for your images if you want to, as demonstrated here. Finally, we are going to add a last slide to close our marketing video. As you can see, you can use Powtoon to insert characters and animations to bring life to your marketing video ideas. Once you set up every element on your video, click on the preview button above. If you see that you need to make changes on your video, simply click on the Continue Editing button. Once your video is ready, simply give it a title in the namespace and click on Save. That is how you create an awesome marketing video with Powtoon. StoopFlix. Lastly, let's use StoopFlix, which is also an awesome tool to create great marketing videos the easy way. Creating a video with StoopFlix is such an easy, straightforward process that you will simply need to go to log into your StoopFlix account and click on Make a Video. Then, you will only have to select a template for your marketing video. Now remember that, just like on Animoto, the video preview available on each template will allow you to see how your video will look in the end, depending on the elements that you add to it. So in here, you will simply have to click on the Add Photos, Videos, and Text button to add elements to your video. In our case, we're going to add images and text, just like we did on our previous marketing videos. You can also use the Add a Soundtrack link to add a tune to your video. And you can use a quick preview button to check out your new marketing video in action. Lastly, click on Produce and Save to finish setting up your video. You can select to export your video as either a standard definition video with Make SD Video or a high definition video with Make HD Video. Now, you will have to wait for your video to be produced and exported. Once complete, your video will be ready to be uploaded to your marketing channels of choice.